Welcome back to the shop. We have our little bit of progress right here. We stopped after doing the front end, so make sure we have enough room for the door. And what do you know? Some things showed up. We've got a main door, cargo door, tubes, windows, piano hinges, mill stuff. Yeah, I bought a mill. All sorts of stuff. So we are going to be super busy this year coming up with all sorts of stuff. I know I'm talking in the past because you guys aren't going to see this until like February, but this is what here you go. Where we can do it right. Boom. The 29th. So my goal is to get this. My goal is to get this thing done with active frame end of January. So you guys will be roughly 1 month behind. You guys should hopefully right now be enjoying my electrical box stuff. So, but anyway, let's go. So I feel like half my work is finding good camera angles. The other half is moving stuff around my garage so I can actually do things. So we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing by default since we're here unboxing things. This should be my sealants and adhesives, maybe miscellaneous hardware, we'll find out. Apparently I got a glue gun of some sort and 3-tube sealant. Should be one of my 3 windows. I opted for not huge windows and put all my hardware in this. Actually, not. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I am looking forward to using these bad boys. I think I'm gonna put them back in the box after I take a look at this. But so very nice window. You have the latch. So from here, 3 latches. It locks in 3 positions. So there locks, full out, and back down. Fully gasketed. It's showing a bunch of little scratches on it, but they're not really there because you got this covering protection. Then on the inside of the door, you have your bug screen and your shade. Everything must be in great shape. We'll put this back together, and I'm just gonna put this box away so it won't get destroyed. Then I gotta stash my door somewhere. This thing is massive. I gotta stash all these boxes because then I'm putting in a mill where they're currently being stored. Okay, so important stuff. Instructions and my keys. I have this key to like, so that and my cargo door are the same. They should be the same. So why would I buy a door, not make a door? This door is made really well. That's the reason. I mean, I don't want to have a kludgy door on my project, you know, which is good enough but not really great. I gotta get this door frame to fit in there. This should be 41 inches. 42 inches. Should be 42 inches. It's been a while. I'll set this here. Oh, set it here. So stable. Fit. Ow, that's my finger. Okay. I'm not screaming yet. So it looks like we're about a 1/16 of an inch interference, which I could actually. Oh, that is. Whew, I like that. That's a tight fit. That's a nice tight fit. So the hinge opens. Welcome to our camper. So I think what you do is you turn this to detach. I think it's this. Separates it. So then this can swing forward. I'm trying to rest it carefully. So now we have a big window with mesh. So no bugs get in, but we have airflow. That, oh, makes me happy. So I gotta get this guy to fit in, which just drops in like it's supposed to be there. So I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll clamp him in flush. Just clamp him right where it needs to be. I don't care if it's crooked a little bit. I want this thing made it up this side, just flipping right. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's it. So I gotta go 49 inches. I think that's what it's supposed to be. So 49 inches. It's gotta go. Bottom, this is gonna sit at 22. Go all the way across. Doorway's open. The cross member's in. Now I gotta flip it over and do the little truss work on the top member for the top of the whole thing. And once that's done, the side's done, I'll cut material for the duplicate and basically set it on top as a template, so it'll be done exactly the same. So I'm making that piece about a half a degree past 90, so hopefully when I roll it up, it'll collapse a little bit on itself. The problem I see is actually making it all fit in the spot. Luckily, nothing I'm doing hasn't been done before. So. You know what? This is done. This is done-zo. Thanks for watching.